Crispy fried chicken recipe. 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 2 cups buttermilk, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, oil for frying, vegetable or canola. Place the chicken breasts between 2 sheets of plastic wrap and gently pound them with a mallet until about 1/2 inch thick for even cooking. Soak the chicken breasts in buttermilk for 1 hour, or overnight in the fridge, to tenderize and add flavor. In a shallow bowl, combine the flour, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Remove each chicken breast from the buttermilk, letting the excess drip off. Dredge it in the flour mixture, pressing lightly to coat. For extra crispiness, repeat the process. Dip the chicken back into the buttermilk and then into the flour again. Heat about 1/2 inch of oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat, about 350 degree F/175 degree C. Carefully place the chicken into the hot oil and fry for 3-4 minutes per side until golden brown and cooked through. Internal temperature should reach 165 degree F/74 degree C. Place the cooked chicken on a paper towel-lined plate to drain excess oil.